Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Dominoes 7 here. Thanking the Lord for waking me up this morning. So I just finished doing a Facebook, a YouTube live. So now I'm doing a Facebook live, eventually on YouTube, Eventually on YouTube, doing a Facebook live stream, because I put my Facebook live streams on YouTube, sometimes on three of my channels, sometimes one. So I'm gonna put this on three of my channels: the Domino 7 Show channel, the Word Domino 7 channel, and Domino 866. Yep. So thank you, Lord, for waking me up this morning. Okay. So went out to pick up some cans and stuff like that. I know it's dangerous out there. Okay. I already got a viewer. What's up? I already got a viewer, So daylight is coming. So let's show it. Still a little dark out, Still a little dark. Yep, so I'm about to go inside again. Show y'all the sky again. Yep. How I'm doing? Domino 7 is doing good. Thanking God for waking me up this morning. Okay. Look at the sky, y'all. Okay. As I'm recording this and everything. So I done got some more subscribers on YouTube. I'm so happy, y'all. I am very happy, All right, so anyway, what I'm very happy about is being alive today, They finally got that rug, So I had that rug in my old room. I really wanted to keep that rug, honestly, but something was telling me get rid of it, get rid of it, get rid of it. I ain't even want to get rid of it. I really didn't. That voice was telling me get rid of it, get rid of it. I don't know what was telling me. Okay. All right. So here we go. Give y'all a view of downtown New Orleans. Okay. So this is a nice view out here. So by me just doing this video and stuff like that and everything else, So on that thumbnail on my YouTube live, I have the view of downtown right here, But I don't always like downtown. Sometimes I hate downtown, especially during rush hour, So I I don't know what else to say though, Make sure my best friend / sister is all right, because I don't want to talk too loud, I really don't, because I don't want to disturb her and the kids though, because the Domino 7 show must go on, So me showing y'all downtown throughout the time and the day and everything and stuff like that. All right. Some people will say no more Mr. Nice Guy and stuff like that. All right. Some people would say that, All right, so I'm back. I haven't went off the air yet. All right, so my auntie's watching. Yeah, and my other auntie gonna watch later today because she gets on Facebook too. So by me just I wanted my friend that work at this supermarket slash garden district. I mean garden center at this grocery store. I'm not gonna say where. You know. So so I must say, y'all, everything is going good with me. God is good. So my auntie, well, my cousin, I should say. Well, I'll call her my auntie because she my mama's favorite. So and Brock's godmother. Okay. Let's go take a look at outside again. Okay. I just felt like doing it. I just felt like doing it once again. You know. I hope this catch up on the thumbnail. I hope this catch up on the thumbnail. Because I really want just like my live stream caught up on the thumbnail. Remember when you have a baby, that mean your mother first and the father first. So I don't have no children though. I wish I had one. And not only that, by the grace of God, I'm praying to be with Dominique. Yep. I'm trying my best to speak it into existence, even if I'm live on TV. And whoever may be concerned to watch this. Other than that, it's a beautiful morning out here. Still dark, but it's getting daylight already. Definitely getting daylight already. Yep. Yep. So, well, I haven't been listening to Incrediflow yet. You know, featuring Diamond Dior. You know, Dominique is our real name. That's who I'm trying to start a relationship with. Dominique. Okay. All I say is thank God for waking me up this morning. Okay. I'm very thankful to see another day. So anyway, about to stop this live stream and upload this Facebook live footage to YouTube. Okay. God bless y'all. Thank y'all for watching the Domino 7 Show Facebook Live. Okay. Eventually on YouTube. All right. Bye.